Okay guys, so today I want to explain how do I scale into winning trades. Obviously, as I'm not going ever to add size to a loser because that's gambling and we are here to win. So yeah, let's say this is draw of liquidity and we have here a key level. We take liquidity inside that key level and displays lower, so we could just enter here. Let's say price retraces a bit, takes liquidity inside the new key level where we placed our first sell order, displays lower from here, and yeah, we can enter here again and just enjoy the profits. Okay, if we here we're risking 1R, we can move the stop loss here, and this is now, let's say, 0.5R. Okay, and now we can add again 0.5 extra R's to this second position, and we are now not just going to win the 3 R's we were aiming with the first sell order, we are also going to win 0.5 R's but with 0.5 risk. Okay, that's pretty much a bit less than 2 R's. So 3 R's plus 2 R's, we are going to win around 5% with this trade if it goes to TP, and if we lose, if it goes to the stop loss, we are only losing 1R. Okay, so that's pretty much all the logic behind adding size to winners. This is the euro chart. We have this weekly fair value gap who was used before to impulse higher, and now we broke below and created a strong high that displaced lower. Okay, so here we have a new wick opening up and also a breaker block. This is a key level, and we could place our first order around here, aiming for these lows and for these lows. If price takes these lows and retraces, I could move my stop loss to break even, as we already took the first draw of liquidity. So if we drop to the daily chart, we are going to wait for a retracement. Price created a weak high. We are waiting for it to be taken. We need this low to be broken before entering in a new trade. Price failed to display lower, so we took this high again, and let's see if this daily fair value gap gets inversed and we could enter again. As you can see, price inversed that fair value gap, and we can enter again here and move the original stop loss to this new high. Let's aim for these lows. Okay, so we are in the second entry, and let's see what does price do now. I can see we are creating an weak high around here. Price just took it let's go for the lower time frames. This was in the London session, and we already inverted this H1 fair value gap. We could have entered around this level, okay, and we are going to target these lows, but once we take these lows here, we are going to move the stop loss to break even, okay? So price is displacing lower. Now our stop loss will be moved to the break even, and price keeps making new manipulations to displace lower till we hit the draft liquidity. So yeah, pretty much price went lower, and I hope you guys could learn something from this example on how to scale into winning trades and add size in order to win even more in trending markets when we have a really clear bias. So yeah, that's all for today, and see ya.